Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a quick way to improve your almond breaks and your think breaks. You can use this technique on different types of loops. You can use it in toms even if you like. But for this demonstration, we're gonna use it on a drum and bass loop. Let's hear what we have first. First, I'm going to add DMG audio track control. I'm gonna set my balance to -4, increase my width to 110%. I'm gonna use Pro Q to slightly clean it up, especially in the highs, but in the lower mids as well. I'm gonna add a Pultic to increase my low end. And finally, I'm gonna use Nomad Factory 80 Space. I'm gonna make slight changes to this reverb and gonna reduce my mix a little bit, increase my output. My decay and gate are set to max. I'm gonna push my low cut a little bit, also my high cut. We'll increase our chorus, set the width to 110, and we're ready to listen to it.